Hello friends and welcome back to the Tech Legend channel. So friends, today I will talk about Edson new GeForce RTX 5060 Qt Paid graphics card. So friend, Edson released the even cuter and faster paid graphics card treatment. So friend, this graphics card is not a graphics card and for its latest Qt Paid design, the single fan design has been used for years. And the third version, built around nearly the same cooler design, CubePad model are always based on the XX60 class GPU, and we are already seeing RTX 3060 LHR and 4060 version release over the past 4 years, and what they have is common is the mini RTX form factors, single fan and dual slot cooling, and Astron officially call a unique pad molding design. And what's changing the internal specification, the latest model features GB206 GPU with 3840 CUDA cores and the boost clock of 2497 MHz and single 8-pin power connector, and the card does not include RGB Lightning. So friend, the card includes 8 GB GDDR7 memory based on what we are seeing. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.